O
D L S.
Koodles! Koodles!
This little boy's name is Mackay. He is very excited to grow up.
Hi, I'm Mackay.
He likes to play in the yard with his dog Emma. He loves to play with his favorite toy truck. As well as going on adventures with his friends. But there was one thing that made Mackay nervous, using the potty. He wasn't sure he could remember all the steps.
First, I get my step stool so that I can reach the potty. Time to use the potty. Read a book or sing your favorite song while you sit. Grab toilet paper, not too much, and wipe. Pull up your pants like a big kid now. You've done so well. Take a bow. Time to flush. Press the lever, watch it swirl. Round it goes in a twirl. Washing your hands is the best way to keep those yucky germs away. Turn off the tap with a gentle twist. Saving water, you get the gist. Dry your hands with a gentle pat. Goodbye, water. That's that. All done with our potty rhymes. Turn off the light. It's time to shine.
After noticing he started to really get the hang of using the potty, Mackay's dad took him to the store to help him pick out training underwear. But he was still very nervous. Sometimes the toilet made scary noises that he imagined to be a monster. He really hoped one day he could get the hang of it. Later, he used the potty for the first time.
I'm ready to use the potty.
His dad cheered him on. He explained that the potty was just for him to use when he needed to go.
Hey, this is not so bad. I can do this. Pants up high, reach for the sky. After the potty, I feel like I can fly.
A little later, Mackay was playing outside with his brother. He was having so much fun. Mackay stopped for a second and realized he needed to use the potty. But he didn't want to stop his fun. He knew he felt that funny feeling way down low and that he should stop what he was doing to go use the potty. But he played and played. Suddenly, Mackay realized he couldn't hold it any longer. He waited too long. Mackay had an accident. He felt very sad and ashamed.
Oh, sweetheart, it's okay. Accidents happen, don't cry, okay?
Okay.
Always remember, when you feel that funny feeling way down low, stop what you're doing and go use the potty. Let's get you cleaned up. You have your pants, shirt, and of course your underwear. And remember, I'm always here if you need me.
Mackay felt so much better. The next day, Mackay and his brother were playing catch. It was one of his favorite things to do. Suddenly, he felt that familiar, funny feeling down below.
It's potty time!
From that day on, Mackay used the potty every time he needed to go. And whenever he felt unsure or scared, a grown-up was there to encourage him and help him along the way. As the sun set on another day, little Mackay proudly smiled, for he had conquered the potty. With a sense of achievement and a newfound independence, he closed the book on this chapter in his life, knowing that he was ready for whatever adventures awaited him next.
Hi! Can you help me learn to use the potty? Yes? Okay, great. What do I do first? Oh yeah, I remember now. I need to get the step stool so that I can reach the potty. You're so helpful.
You won a sticker.
I'm ready to sit on the potty. No? What am I missing, friend? I need to pull down my pants and underwear. Pull down low. Nice and slow. To the potty we must go. Finally, it's potty time.
You won a sticker.
Step up high, reach for the sky. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, N, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All done. Put down. Yeah. I need to use toilet paper to wipe. Grab some TP. Don't you flee for wiping clean you and me. Pants up high, reach for the sky. After the potty, I feel like I can fly. Flush!
You won a sticker.
Oh yeah! Do you know what's next? Yes. I need to wash my hands. Yep. It's the best way to keep germs away. Uh-oh, I forgot the stool. Let me grab it. Sing a song, make it fun. 20 seconds, get it done. they're up, scrub-a-dub, clean hands, no grub. Every finger, each thumb, washing hands is so much fun. Splash, scrub, rinse away, keep those germs at bay. Wash your hands nice and clean with soap and water like a dream. Germs be gone, we have won. Hooray, hooray, now we're done. Shirt off the water. Shimmy, shake, earthquake.
You've won a sticker.
Cowabunga! My hands are clean, but they're all wet. How can I fix this? I can use a hand towel to dry them. Water off, shake and sway. If your hands are clean, say yay!
You've won a sticker.
Yeah! And now my favorite part. Potty chart time! Potty chart time! Potty chart time! Let's grab our stickers. Airplane. Rocket ship. Car. Train. Ball. Amazing! We've earned 5 stickers.
It's dark now. Makai is afraid.
I'm scared.
It was then he had remembered something his mom told him. Makai, being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means facing your fears even when you are. With those words echoing in his mind, Makai takes a deep breath and calms himself.
Okay. Makai, you can do this.
He carefully walked toward the door, remembering to be brave.
Yeah! Thank you for being such great teachers. I couldn't have done it without you. Bye!
Made for my awesome autistic son, Makai. The strength and resilience and the love he brings to those around him is truly inspiring. For those of you who are caregivers of a neurodivergent child, my wish is that you will find encouragement and strength to accomplish what can be the challenging world of potty training in this detailed video. I love you all.